Greetings, my drinking buddies. A couple of years ago, Disney had the best idea ever, and that was to put a Star Wars themed land in their Disneyland park in California and their Hollywood Studios park in Orlando, Florida. And inside that park, they decided to put in Olga's Cantina, a cantina where you can enjoy Star Wars themed beverages. And as your YouTube cocktail guy, I feel obliged to make some of those cocktails for you. So first up, we're gonna start with the Yub Nub. And this is an Ewok themed cocktail, but it's also a tiki drink. Don't really know the explanation there, but Yub Nub, like the Ewoks say. Let's get some ice. Got our ice. Next up, 1.5 ounces of pineapple rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, bottled pineapple. I'm gonna do 3/4 ounce of passion fruit simple syrup. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice. Next up, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Sailor Jerry. Now, there's no official recipe for this drink. We just know what ingredients are in it, and I'm just kind of doing my best to decide what exactly is in the cocktail. Then we're gonna do a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. Let's shake this up. Let's retrieve our glass. Now I have here a very special glass for this one. This is actually the identical glass that it's served in the parks. This is a Ewok themed tiki glass with Ewoks on it, Death Star, Mon Calamari ship, Star Destroyers, an AT-ST, a gliding Ewok, some stormtroopers. Anyway, this is the official beverage, official cup I picked up. And I garnished it with a couple berries and some lime. I have my metal straw, and this is filled with ice. Let's try out the Yub Nub. Yeah, that's super refreshing. The pineapple gives it a little sweetness. The orange also helps there. And then the passion fruit simple syrup really comes through to give it a nice sweet aftertaste. The spiced rum really helps give it an extra layer of vanilla and spices. Ango's doing wonders as it always does. It's so funny how a few drops of that stuff can really come through on a cocktail. This is one I highly recommend for your friends, for you to make. It is just really tasty, really refreshing, and Yub Nub. All right, drinking buddies. So the second in our series of cocktails from Olga's Cantina in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is going to be the Takodana Quencher. And you might remember Takodana as being the planet that they go to where we meet Maz Kanata for the first time. And there's the whole thing about how she has Luke/Anakin's old lightsaber, and that whole thing happens. So the Takodana Quencher, we're going to begin with putting a half of a kiwi in the bottom of our cocktail shaker, and that is going to be peeled, of course. And then I threw in there also a little piece of orange wedge to get a little bit of those oils out. So we're going to go ahead and muddle that up really nicely. All right, we got our muddled kiwi. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of orange juice and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Then we are going to do 1.5 ounces of Bacardi Dragonberry. And we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. Going to add ice and shake that up. We are going to strain this back into the pint glass. There's a reason for it. You'll see in a moment. All right, and then we have our nice little cocktail glass we're going to use. I put some ice in here, and it's garnished with a kiwi. And we're going to strain this one more time into our nice glass. Let's move the kiwi garnish. All right, Takodana Quencher. Let's have a taste. A lot of orange flavor coming through from that curacao and as well as from the orange juice. Kiwi's subtle but there. I don't get much of the dragonberry flavor coming through. I mostly just get like a rum taste from the rum, not a dragonberry rum taste. But this is nice. This is really quenching. It's very juice forward, not very balanced because there's not a lot of sourness in here or any really bitter components, but quite a refreshing cocktail. Takodana Quencher. All right, drinking buddies, let's finish up this Star Wars cocktail series in style by doing an original. Now, this isn't one that they do serve at Olga's Cantina, but this is in the style of something they would serve at Olga's Cantina. And I'm sure all of you are watching The Mandalorian Season 2 on Disney+, and the Krayt Dragon in the premiere episode really had me thinking that we need a Krayt Dragon cocktail for this channel, and so that's why I'm bringing it to you. So let's make the Krayt Dragon. Oh, and I'm going to warn you, this is a pretty strong cocktail, so if you make this one at home, I would recommend only having one. We're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime. I'm going to do 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of dragonberry rum, one ounce of Chambord. This is a delightful black raspberry liqueur from France. It's very good. I highly recommend you try it if you've never had it before. 1 ounce of Chambord. One ounce pineapple rum, poured of course from our gat here. Where did I put the cap? We'll do some blood orange bitters. It's a little heavy-handed on the blood orange bitters. And we're going to do some of our cake luster dust. Now, it's an inexact science to use this stuff because you want to use so little you can't really measure it. Basically, covering the end of a knife or spoon is plenty. Link to get those in the description. Let's shake it up. Just serving it in an old-fashioned glass here. Definitely want it in a clear glass so you can see those cake lusters swirling around in there. It's good to serve it with a garnish on a skewer so that they can stir it themselves. All right, so for a garnish, I went with just a lime wheel and a maraschino cherry. And you'll notice that lovely froth on the top. That comes from shaking pineapple juice. I highly recommend you shake pineapple juice in your recipes. This is a tiki style drink, Krayt Dragon. I like how the swirls of gold dust in there almost remind you of like the Tatooine desert and the Krayt Dragon, coming up from below. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Pineapple comes through first. I think the second most powerful flavor in here is the Chambord. The Chambord comes in real nicely, gives it a nice raspberry flavor. Lime next, so it gets a nice sweet and fresh flavor from the lime. Little bitterness, a lot of complexity coming in. The blood orange bitters, which as you might have noticed when I poured them in, I was a little heavy-handed with. They're giving it a nice complexity. This is one of those dangerous cocktails because it is really smooth. It goes down really nice. The Krayt Dragon. So if you liked this Star Wars series and you want to see more drinks from Olga's Cantina, make sure to tell me in the comments. Also, when I was cutting this lime, I realized that my knives are terrible. So if you know some good knife recommendations, go ahead and throw those in the comments too. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hope we'll see you on the next one.